Okay, here's what I'm about to teach you. I'm about to teach you something your daddy should have. Okay, we have a trans pan here. It's seen some better shapes, but you know, whatever. But that's called a drain plug for your oil. Okay, I have a little bit of a leak up here. No, that's grease. Okay. Well, I've already cracked that loose. It's a 13 millimeter. That's all you need. And then you're gonna hold it good and tight up to it so it doesn't leak all over all over your friggin' hand. You'll pop it out. Okay. Boom. It's that simple. And then you wait for it to stop dripping. Like that. Put your plug back in. Okay. Flip direction on your ratchet. And now that's snug. Snug it up. That's it. Don't take much. You don't have to reef on it. There's a rubber O-ring on it. It'll seal. Next, we're going to go right up over here to this. And it should be loose. And, well, I should be able to take it off by hand. But if not, I have a tool. Okay. Oh, look at that. Take your time. There's no rush. If you're doing it yourself, there ain't no rush. Oil just looks old and used. So it's good. There's no sparklies in it. It's not milky white. Any of that shit. So we're good to go. I'm going to go wash my hands off. Let that drip for a minute. Now, here's something you need to remember about this. It's very important. You see this little rubber seal? Okay. Well, you see, they all have that, and it's important to reach up there and run your finger along the surface here and make sure there's no O-ring stuck on there. And when you do that, put a little bit of oil from your finger around the seal. Okay? Now, I like to prime mine. So we're going to do that. Alrighty. Now, two things are important to note. When you prime an upside down canister like this, there's two things you want to make sure of. You want to make sure you don't get anything in them, and make sure the O-ring is on it. I opened my first bottle of oil, and I just pour it straight into my filter. All the way up to the threads. There we go. I'm going to put this cap on for now. And then we're going to go back underneath, screw this thing on, and get her done. So, I'm going to set this right there, and we're going to go underneath. All right. You should be able to see right where that's at. Okay. There's my threads. Now we just slowly turn it. Give it a couple of gentle twists to snug it up. And then one quick one just like the plug. And that should be about it. Spray and clean everything down. Now this particular engine takes 7 quarts. It is a Dodge Magnum 5.7 V8 Hemi. That being said, we're going to put some 5W30 oil into my engine. Save your jug, because if it takes 7 quarts, you got 7 quarts. For the rest of our already open one open. See ya Thursdays. Put our cap back on. Come on. Biggest pain in the ass is these aren't threaded. The thing is, they got a keyway basically, or a chuck. You gotta get that in there right. And if you don't, you'll be fighting with it. And that's it. Next thing you do is get in the vehicle. And you start it. I should not have ate that chili. My asshole's been talking shit all day. Eggs and chili for breakfast.
For listening to Positive.
That's a beautiful thing, that sounds like. We're done. Oh, hey. Gotta shut it off. Now we're gonna check the dipstick. Now, the level is right there just before the S. That means it's in a safe mark. But I think I'll grab an extra quart and just top her off. It's important to note, you need to write down the date you did your oil change and the mileage you did it at. And remember to change it every 3,000 miles. 3 to 5,000, excuse me. Have a good day.